Hello, this is David Lelak with IHI Home Inspections. During this inspection, I was down here in the basement around the water heater. I found a drain vent or a dryer vent. The plastic, the vinyl flex line, which has a bunch of lint hanging out of it. It's broken here. Up in the floor about 1.5 feet, it's broken. And there's a section that right here it's supposed to connect. I believe it's supposed to connect right here, and then it goes out over the ductwork up through the ceiling, follow it over here, it makes a 90-degree turn, sags down, makes another turn and another turn, and goes outside. This isn't a great area for it to be holding lint, and can cause a house fire once it heats up. This is not a good application. This needs replacing. Hard pipe, solid, straight to the exterior. David Lelak, IHI Home Inspections.